this man, and this equation of curve, and this point lies on this curve, and we have to find the equation of a curve. Okay, so let's get started. So here given dy dx equal 6 by x square. Okay, and dy dx, just copy, and 6 by x square equal, we can write 6x inverse 2. Okay, and dy just copy, and dx just cross multiply with this 6x inverse 2 dx. Now we're gonna integrate both sides. Okay, so that's why we have to take integration sign. 6x inverse 2 dx. Okay, so this is dy, and there is nothing means 1. So if we integrate one constant thing with respect to y, it will be y. Okay, and then this is constant 6, right? So constant 6 is just copy, and we're gonna integrate x inverse 2. So we have a formula here, x to the power n, this power added to 1, and total things will be divided. Okay, and plus c. This is indefinite integral. That means this is not definite integral. Okay, so that's why we have to take extra c constant. Okay, so here x inverse 2, x inverse 2 added 1, and then this total thing we have to divide. That means minus 2 plus 1, and we have to add it here constant c. Okay, so this is minus 2 plus 1, it will be minus 1, and this is x, this is minus 2, and this is minus 2, and this is plus 1, it will be minus 1. Okay, and then this will be minus 6, and this minus is here, and 6 is here. X inverse 1 equal, we can write 1 by x, or we can write minus 6 this. Okay, and this is y equal this, and there will be constant c, and constant c. And one thing is that this point lies on the curve. So this point lies on this curve. Like we can write, this is equation number 1. Since this point 2, 9 lies on this curve, so the first term, like x equal, we can write input here 2, and y equal 9. Okay, so y equal 9, this equation, like one equation, and this is minus 6 is here, and x is 2, that is first term, right? 2, and this is constant plus c. Okay, and then this is 9, you just copy, and minus 6 by 2, it will be 3, and this is plus c. Okay, so if I transfer this minus 3 to the left side, it will be 9 plus 3 equals c, it will be 12 equals c. That's mean constant value is 12. Okay, now we're gonna input this c value, equation number 1. Okay, so y equal minus 6 by x, and plus c means 12. Okay, so this is the result, this is the equation of the curve. So thank you very much.